Welcome to Cooking with Lo Hye. So, we all just woke up today, we were in the mood for some chicken pot pie, and we just decided to make some. So here's all of the ingredients that we used. I'm just going to flash them on the screen so you guys can see what we, used throughout the entire process. First, put your butter in to the pot. Wait for the butter to melt, and once it's melted, then you can add the chopped celery stalks into the pot. And then you're going to grab the spoon and just stir the celery with the butter. You're going to grab your carrots and your onion and drop them right into the pot. Then you're going to stir until they are sauteed and the onions are translucent. Next, you're going to go ahead and get your salt. Salty time. And just put salt in there. I did 2 pinches. After the salt, you're going to grab your black pepper and do the same thing, pinches of black pepper. I did 3, and trust us, this is not a lot of black pepper. Ugh, I hope nobody saw that. Next, you're going to add some rosemary. We actually have a rosemary bush outside and we just cut it and we dumped it into that pot. As so. Mix all of that stuff in there. Next, you're going to add the flour, 2 spoonfuls of flour, and you're just going to drop it right in there. Here's the star of the show, the cooked chicken breast. You're going to want to just drop them right up in there. And to make sure they're all in there, you're just going to tap, tap, tap for all that chicken goodness. Now, before you add your peas, you're going to want to stir aggressively. Just get in there and start looking like you're tossing a salad. Command that chicken. What you want to do next, similar to adding your chicken, is you want to add your frozen peas. Give that a little tap, and if there are any insubordinate peas left, tell your assistant to punish them severely. Stir angrily to show dominance over the peas that fell in. Alright, next is the chicken broth. Now, the pot is very hot at this point, so you're going to want to pour this in very slowly. We sped up the footage so that it didn't take this long, but we added this very slowly. Let's look inside the pot. So we tasted the pot and we realized that we needed more kosher salt and some more black pepper. Don't forget to taste because that's all part of the process. We wanted to show you some footage of us rolling our homemade biscuit dough, even though for this you can use canned biscuits. We didn't feel the chicken pot pie was thick enough, so we added some cornstarch with water and got this thicker consistency. Once we got that thicker consistency, we added the heavy cream to get that nice color and taste. Alright, now that we've prepared the pot pie, we transferred it to the glass baking dish for the oven. Remember, transfer this slowly because it's
super hot.
final steps before going into the oven. You can cut whatever shape you want, but we added pumpkin-shaped biscuits on top of the pot pie. And then in the center, a tiny little acorn. Next, the egg wash. Ooh, gooey. You're just gonna put that on top of each biscuit so that it can turn golden brown in the oven. So preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You're gonna wanna put your chicken pot pie into the oven and bake them until the biscuits are golden brown. And here it is, the homemade chicken pot pie. These were the handmade biscuits, and these were the canned biscuits. Now, I just want to say they look beautiful. They look nice. I had a really fun time making these, and I would definitely do it again, for sure. I'm excited to eat this. After all, I did pause my game. Alright, so just dig into it?
Yeah, just kind of take a bite.
I want to blow on it.
I don't like peas. I don't like peas.
How does it?
I like it. It's a chicken pot pie.